Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by verifying basics that actually fix most sticker issues. First, make sure iOS and the messaging app are updated. Outdated system files block sticker extensions. Next, restart your iPhone, power off, wait 10 seconds, power on to flush temporary services and caches. Then go to Settings and confirm messages and keyboard permissions allow third-party sticker access. Once done, open Messages and tap the app drawer to see if the sticker pack appears. If not, proceed to the next steps. Now focus on app-level fixes that resolve deeper integration problems. Delete the problematic sticker app, then reinstall it from the App Store to force a fresh extension registration. This often fixes missing bundle entries. Alternatively, offload the app from Settings iPhone storage to remove the binary but keep data. Then reinstall. Make sure your keyboard settings aren't blocking third-party extensions by resetting the keyboard dictionary if odd behavior persists. Once reinstalled, relaunch Messages and finish by restarting affected services and checking account sync. Force quit Messages, relaunch it, and try sending a sticker in a fresh conversation to rule out thread-specific errors. If the pack requires purchase or sync, sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh entitlement checks. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled for app sync when needed. If none of these succeed, back up your device and perform an iCloud restore. This resolves corrupted profiles or persistent extension registration problems in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.